Today I will show you where to find the OBD port and VIN number on a Volvo S60 2011. So let's begin with the OBD port. The OBD port is located on the driver's side, below the steering wheel on the left side. There is no cover. You simply plug in your diagnostic tool and use it. Here we also have the tire pressure information label with recommended pressures, depending on wheel and tire size. Now I will show you the VIN number location. The first VIN number location is visible through the front windshield on the lower left side, right here. I also found another VIN number location on the passenger side. By moving the seat back and lifting the carpet on the floor, you can see the VIN number stamped underneath. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the channel for more videos. Like and subscribe if this video helped you.